Hello dear students, in this video I'm going to teach you how to download Python from internet. Okay, so first of all understand that we need to type a download Python. Okay, download Python, click on the end. Okay, then it will take you to the python.org. This is the official website, and click on download. Okay, then after clicking download you need to go to a download section. Okay, then click on here the Python 3.13.0. Okay, then click on this. Setup will be downloaded automatically. You can see here right hand side. Okay, Python 3.13.0. Okay, then click on this. Okay, this is the setup, and after the setup it will take you to the main installation process. Okay, it is taking time. Okay, it might take some time. And okay, this is the installation of Python. Okay, here you need to check in the add python.exe to path. Okay, then you can install on the customization. So you need to see here the all option must be checked in. Okay, then you need to click next and then install. Okay, this is very simple process to install the Python. Okay, and after installation you will see that how we will run the command and how we will install the different kind of libraries in the Panda. Okay, so let it install. It will take a few minutes. Now it is working. So there are two options. Okay, one is a Python and another is Anaconda. Okay, what is difference between Panda and Anaconda? Sorry, Python and Anaconda. In Anaconda there are already pre-installed libraries, and in case of the Python here you need to separately install the different types of libraries. Okay, and you will be working on the different libraries, so you need to install in the Python separately. In case of Anaconda there are already pre-installed libraries. You don't need to install separately libraries. Okay, what main issue with Anaconda is that it is relatively heavier and it might make your computer little bit slower. Okay, so usually for new coder it is suggested to download the Anaconda. Okay, but as you get some experience, the Python is recommended because it is relatively lighter software. Okay, and in case of the Anaconda, that is heavier software that might make your computer slower. Okay, so I will recommend you to download the Python and then separately install the different libraries according to your needs. Okay, so here it is taking a time, or it might take a few more minutes to install. Okay, so installation is taking time. So you have okay, now you have come to know the difference between the Python and Anaconda. So there is no main differences. Okay, there is no main difference. Main difference is that the Python is little bit lighter and Anaconda is heavier. Okay, here it has been installed in your computer. Okay, now you can see that you need to close this window. Okay, I have closed, and come over here in the research bar and type the cmd. Okay, cmd, you will see the prompt command, that is command prompt. Okay, you can see now I'm checking if my Python is working or not. I'm typing a py, then click Okay, you will see that this is the Python 3.1 3.0. Okay, this is the Python version. Okay, here you can run your command like type a print and type a hello. Okay, then click. Okay, so our command is working properly. Okay, so you can type here exit. Now you have exited the setup. So now you need to install different libraries. Okay, you will not be working in the Python only. You need a different library. So okay, so you will be working on the different libraries, and these libraries would be installed in the Python. Okay, so standard format pip install. ठीक, you need to type pip install in all kind of library. Okay, while downloading the library pip install, then you need to write a name of library. I am downloading the Jupyter, so I am writing a Jupyter here, Jupyter notebook. Okay, okay, this is the right format. Okay, it is taking time. Pip install Jupyter. Okay, so Jupyter I have already installed, so it is working. And similarly you need to install the pip install pandas. Okay, I am installing pandas, so you need to write pandas. Okay, similarly if you want to install the numpy, so you need to write pip install numpy. Here write pip install numpy. Okay, it is also working. Okay, so I have already installed. So I'm just telling you to how to download different kind of libraries. You can download different kind of libraries like you can download stats models. Okay, or other libraries where you will be working on. Okay, so this is the end of the video or how to download the Python. So I'm also going to tell you how to download the Anaconda. So you can write here download Anaconda. Okay, and after clicking on official website, okay, skip the registration, and you can install by clicking here on a download button, and Anaconda will be installed. And after installing Anaconda you need to install a Jupyter notebook from the Anaconda, and everything will be working smoothly, and you don't need to install libraries separately. Most of libraries are already pre-installed in the Anaconda. Okay, so Anaconda is relatively easier for a new coder. Okay, new learner, new students. Okay, so it depends on you. If you want to download the Python or Anaconda, I have already told you that the Anaconda is relatively heavier, that might make your computer slower. Okay, you might face a problem of hang up and okay, all that. Okay, so thanks for watching.